Geomedi is one of the best place that you can ever choose for studying medicine. This I'll tell you from my experience and the results. From 2015, I'm working with Geomedi because the kind of foundation they've got here, that's very, very important. The kind of support they've got, that is very, very important. Even if you see FMG passing rate, Geomedi stands in the top. You all know that? So, in my students, all of them are passed. I think there is nobody who's not passed FMG. 99%. One or two students are left out, but most of them are passed out. And they're doing really well and are doing PG preparations. Some of them even got into PG. People in India, they spend more than 20 lakh and go to USA to do clinical practice. That university can help you with only this model, with 10% off, as I know. So use that. Your academic should be your journey. Like you should plan something. Have some goal, like I have to do this, I have to do that. I have to plan for, even Germany has German internships. Like if you study the language lab, they have German language program and all. If you learn it from the 4th year, if you start learning, they can even help you get through Germany or doing your clinical rotation, and then you can gradually do PG in Germany, which is completely free. Any issues, any help when it comes to FMGs, you need any documentation, any support you want, and come back, please do call us. We are always there to help you, support you. And in India, of course, whenever you come back, you need any support, please call us. We are always there to help you. Nowadays, this FMG passing rate is really good in India as well. So nothing to worry, nothing to be panicked. You will become good doctor one day and serve our nation. Thank you so much.
And human have that the mind that we have a weapon, and we have to use our mind very smartly to get success. Whether you can lose your time or whether you can use your time very well, wisely to become a success. Because our students are our family here. So we do our best for the students. I will suggest you one more thing. Please follow the discipline, because discipline is the big key of the success.
Arshit, I'm in my 11th semester right now. You'll be here for 6 years. Enjoy your life here. Be respectful towards the culture here. Be respectful towards the locals here. Try to learn the language as much as possible. If you study well, you'll get good marks. If you don't study, you won't get. No matter how much prayers you do, no matter how much good faculties you have, it doesn't matter. It all depends on you. If you study well, you'll take good marks. So enjoy your life here. Thank you.
I am basically fresh out of first year and in second year, third sem. All I can say, focus on the blood module in your first sem, you'll get it. You have cell bio, med chem and med physics, right? In a blood module, you need to focus on that because you're going to need that in cardiovascular, which we have now. I am here if you need any help. So yeah, just all the best. We are here and this is not studies that you have to do. We have many academy stuff here. We have MedLink, GymSoc. We have Mosaic, which is a cultural thing. So you're going to have a lot of fun. We'll have Pongal. I am basically fresh out of first year and in second year, third sem. I'm sick if you're here at that time. So thank you so much.